Automatic breeding accessories can be controlled to save manpower, improve production efficiency, reduce breeding costs. The product is suitable for automatic feeding system of chicken, duck, goose, and other farms. Automatic feed line system is composed of a material tower, a hopper, a feed pipe, a winch auger, a tray, a suspended lifting device, a motor, and a material level sensor. The main function is to transport the material in the hopper to the material plate to ensure the chicken's consumption, and the material level sensor to achieve the purpose of automatic feeding.